And Miss Atkins is on probation for the third-degree felony offense of injury to an elderly person. That's started at May 23rd of 2022. There was a motion to adjudicate probation filed. She entered pleas of true to counts 4 and 5. Does the state have testimony with regard to counts 1, 2, and 3?
Yes, if the court would like.
Yep, I think I would.
Down there, call, Ms. Shakita Cole.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Ms. Cole. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you.
Ms. Cole, would you please state your full name for the record?
Shakita Cole.
How are you employed?
I'm employed at Jackson County Adult Probation.
And as a adult probation officer, is it your responsibility to supervise an individual on this probation?
Meet Devon Atkins, a woman already on probation for injuring an elderly person standing in court again after breaking nearly every rule in the book. Watch closely, because what starts calm quickly spirals into one of the most chaotic courtroom meltdowns you'll ever see. This testimony is brutal. Her probation officer lays it out. Missed appointments, no address updates, no community service, zero medication compliance, and even contact with the victim. In short, she ignored everything. The system tried to help her, therapy, supervision, second chances, and she blew every one. You can already sense the judge's patience thinning. Question: how many warnings should someone get before prison becomes inevitable?
The supervision department when directed by yourself and the court?
Yes.
And did Ms. Atkins, based on your review of the file, fail to do that on multiple dates, including but most likely not limited to November 4th of 2024, November 19th of 24, and, and was that in violation of her probation order?
Yes.
Did you address that with her and inform her it is important to report if you have something coming up, you need to let me know?
Yes.
And did she do that?
No.
Was Ms. Atkins, as a condition of said probation, ordered to perform community supervision hours?
Yes.
And to report those to you?
Yes.
Obviously, if you do not know that she has completed them, even if she has, is that a violation of her probation?
Yes.
To your knowledge, based on your review of her file and your supervision of her, did she either complete the hours or immediately report to you?
The defense pushes mental health as the main excuse, but the facts say otherwise. The officer made appointments, she skipped them. The court even scheduled evaluations, and she refused. Then comes the trigger. She insists she's not a psycho and starts arguing mid-hearing. This is where everything unravels. You can feel the tension crackling as she digs her own grave, word by word.
Testimony.
Unless I may ask, Ms. Cole, Judge,
Yeah.
and you stated that earlier, Miss Evelyn Thibodeau, I believe that is her grandmother, correct?
Yes, definitely.
Hold on, ma'am.
At some point in time in November of 2024, was Miss Atkins violating the condition the court had imposed that she not to have contact with Miss Thibodeau for Miss Thibodeau's safety?
Yes.
Thank you.
Any questions about that? About the count, that's count 8 with the contact? Okay. Then at this time, based on the testimony, I am going to find count 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 true. Again, there were pleas of true to counts 4 and 5 previously. I've received an updated pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, ma'am, Judge.
Any additions or corrections to that report?
No, from the bench, Judge.
Nothing from the state, Your Honor, unless Ms. Cole has something to add.
Do you have anything to add that's not already in your report? So the main thing I want to make sure, Ms. Cole, I have a notation here to ask is, you guys were aware of mental health issues and had opportunities.
The judge finally snaps. She tells Devon to stop talking, or risk adding years to her sentence, and Devon still won't stop. You can hear the disbelief in the room. Judges rarely lose composure, but this constant backtalk crosses every line. This isn't confidence, it's self-destruction in real time. Ask yourself, why do some defendants fight harder against authority than for their own freedom?
So you had an appointment that Ms. Cole set for you, at least one, how many?
Yeah, but it's not for medicine. It's for psycho. I'm not a psycho. I don't have those problems. I mean, some people do that. I don't know.
Well, you obviously we don't know what you need because you won't even go do the evaluation that it sounds like you haven't been on medication that would be, what?
Evaluation where?
At Spinaltop.
That's what I'm telling you. That's not, I don't have that. I'm not a psychopath. That is for.
It's psychopath. Nobody's saying you're a psychopath, but you
That's what
have.
It's called past program. I'm not a psychopath. That's what I'm
That's not what it's called, and that's not the reason it's called that, okay? If you had gone to your appointment and talked to them, then you would know what that was for, and you would know that it was meant to help you so that you could get on medication, stabilize, and not have the issues that you've been having. I'm going to find that you previously entered your, I'm sorry, Miss.
Now comes the hammer. The judge finds her guilty, 5 years in prison, and every second earned. Devon tries to argue mid-sentence, claiming hospital visits and missing paperwork, but at this point it's too late. Every interruption makes things worse. The irony, the judge even warns she could add 5 more years for refusing to stop. This is courtroom chaos in its purest form.
Because you're not choosing to do the things
I
that.
was gonna die, so I really didn't have much of a choice.
Okay.
It's my life in jeopardy.
I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 4 and 5 freely and voluntarily. Again, I'm finding counts 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty. Don't talk over. I'm about to sentence you to prison, and how you keep talking over me is about to start adding years onto that. Stop talking. It's just going to get worse. Do you understand? Okay. I'm going to find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, I'm finding you guilty of injury to an elderly individual. Sentence you to a term of 5 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. No.
I'm telling it, like she thought, like I could not get up there.
I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this
I would
was.
like to speak to a detective.
This was not an agreement, and so you waived your right to
did.
appeal.
had
I need you to
hospital
sign that
I
with
gave you
her.
hospital papers. I gave her everything.
I'm also
I had
handed
a
you.
doctor's appointment and everything.
So let's sum it up. Probation ignored, therapy refused, defiance nonstop. Devon Atkins turned a second chance into a disaster. The judge gave her every opportunity to fix things, but her attitude sealed her fate. If you think the judge went too far or not far enough, drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy real courtroom moments like this, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more shocking legal breakdowns every week.
This is a hospital and everything.
I'm handing you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered
I
against.
don't have a gun.
I'm not, just listen to what I'm saying. If you'll listen for a minute, you'll understand. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition.
I don't have a gun, man.
Good, then you
Talking
don't.
to the wrong person. I'm Devin Atkins. I don't have a gun.
I'm required
No,
to
I'm
read that
telling
to
you, I
everyone.
don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a gun.
Good, then you don't have to worry about that. Go back with the bailiff.
Thank you.